Welcome to our Lebanese falafel recipe where we'll show you how to make extra crispy and fluffy falafel just like the street vendors in Beirut. Learn how to make authentic Lebanese falafel just like Beirut street vendors. This recipe uses no canned chickpeas, a secret herb blend, and a foolproof frying method for the crispiest outside and fluffiest inside. Perfect for wraps, bowls, or snacking. Alright, let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe, which makes about 20 to 25 falafel, you'll need 2 cups of dried chickpeas soaked overnight, no canned ones, 1 cup of fresh parsley with the stems removed, 1 cup of fresh cilantro, 1 small onion chopped, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of baking soda, this is our secret for crispiness, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, which are optional, salt and pepper to taste, and finally vegetable oil for frying. Alright, let's dive into the cooking directions. First, blend pulse-soaked chickpeas, herbs, onion, garlic, and spices in a food processor until gritty, like wet sand. Next, shape. Roll the mixture into small balls. Wet your hands to prevent sticking, and if you like, roll them in sesame seeds. Then, fry heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Finally, serve. Stuff into pita with tahini, pickles, and veggies. Yum! Now here are some pro tips to elevate your falafel game. For a baking option, bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. They'll still be crispy, you can also make ahead. Freeze uncooked falafel for later. And here's a little secret. Let the mixture rest for 15 minutes before shaping for better binding. If you made this, comment falafel, and I'll feature your remake. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly Middle Eastern recipes. Check out the channel link below. And follow me on social media, Instagram at Falafel Nation. Tag #FalafelNation for a shout-out, and on TikTok at Falafel Nation.